friends, in the last few episodes, I explained to you the abbreviation for NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming. Neuro has to do with brain, linguistic is to do with the use of language, and programming is taken from the computer science. The concept of NLP was founded by two Americans by name Richard Bandler and John Grinder. Richard Bandler was a mathematician and John Grinder is a linguistic expert. They started researching the successful people and they wanted to know how did they do what they did. Why did they do what they did? Remember, I asked this question in the first episode, what am I doing? Why am I doing what am I doing? And why am I doing that way? Their research led them to this concept, the amazing concept of NLP. They said that the human mind can be programmed. And then they said the behavior is a result of a program. If you want a different behavior, you need to install a different behavior. That's about the origin of NLP. Before we understand the intricacies, the details of NLP, I want to discuss with you a couple of things so that your understanding of the NLP becomes clearer. You should know what causes a behavior. For example, I'm speaking in front of a camera. You're listening perhaps. You see people running, some people running fast, slow, some people lazy, some people are active, some people are violent, some people are calm. What causes a behavior? We should understand that. The second one is the difference between methodology and technology. And you should also understand what happens to a person inside a person before a behavior manifests outside him. Let me explain this. What causes a behavior? A behavior cannot be a random behavior. It has to be caused by something. Supposing I laugh, ha 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 ha. You ask me, why are you laughing? I laugh. And you find out that there is nothing, no meaning behind it. Then you may conclude that I'm a lunatic. A behavior has to be a meaningful behavior. Something should cause the behavior. You say something pleasant, my face changes. You hurt my feelings, it shows in my face. I'm confused. And so you see my eyebrows going up. You should know something should cause a behavior. Then I said the difference between methodology and technology. For example, I have this remote control for my AC. And once it is installed, the technician will tell me, so this is the start button, this is the stop button, this is the mode button, this is the fan button. And he will say, you press this, this will be the result. If you want to switch on button. That's all I need to know. This methodology. Supposing I ask him, tell me how this is connected and what is the chips that are installed in this. He may not have the time. He will just say, sir, this is the methodology. 90% of the time, if you know the methodology, fine. But the problem is when the methodology fails. One day I come, I press it, it's not switch on. It doesn't switch on. That means the methodology has failed. I should know the technology. Then I should know that there is a chamber here. I should open it. Then I should find out whether the batteries are powerful or still live. This is called the technology. So, NLP is about the technology of human behavior. Yes, I should get up early morning 5 o'clock to work, but one day I am not able to get up. I know I have to do this work, but I postpone. The methodology says write it down on a piece of paper, to-do list, and you will do it. But sometimes I don't. So I need to understand the technology, what makes things happen or what stands in the way of things happening. This is the difference between methodology and technology. NLP is about understanding the technology of the human mind. NLP is about understanding the technology, what causes and what does not cause a human behavior. So this is what I say, you should understand what happens before a behavior manifests outside me. There are two other things I want to discuss with you. Human beings are meaning-making beings. I repeat it. Human beings are meaning-making beings. And I want to make one more sentence. Human beings are thinking beings and not merely doing beings. Human beings are thinking beings and not doing beings. What is this? Wait for my next episode.